50 easiest calm on English mistakes with correct form. 1. I am agree. I agree. 2. He do homework. He does homework. 3. She speak English. She speaks English. 4. I didn't know. I didn't know. 5. Discuss about. Discuss. 6. Return back. Return. 7. I am having a pen. I have a pen. 8. Much people. Many people. 9. One of my friend. One of my friends. 10. Married with. Married to. 11. He don't like. He doesn't like. 12. She go to school every day. She goes to school every day. 13. Myself Ramesh. I am Ramesh. 14. I didn't wrote. 15. She is elder than me. She is older than me. 16. Give me an advice. Give me advice. 17. He is my cousin brother. He is my cousin. 18. He is my real brother. He is my brother. 19. She is my cousin's sister. She is my cousin. 20. Open the fan. Switch on the fan. 21. Close the fan. Switch off the fan. 22. I am watching a dream. I am dreaming. 23. He is my childhood friend. He is my friend since childhood. 24. I returned back home. I returned home. 25. He told to me. He told me. 26. He explained me the lesson. He explained the lesson to me. 27. He said me. He said to me. 28. He asked to me. He asked me. 29. She is more prettier. She is prettier. 30. He is more better. He is better. 31. These informations. This information. 32. I know him good. I know him well. 33. She sings good. She sings well. 34. He is my neighbor. He is my neighbor. 35. Lagging behind. Lagging behind. 36. She is very genius. She is a genius. 37. He is very coward. He is a coward. 38. I have many works. I have much work, a lot of work. 39. I am going to home. I am going home. 40. I am going to my house. I am going home. 41. I am going to market. I am going to the market. 42. I am going to temple. I am going to the temple. 43. She is junior than me. She is junior to me. 44. He is senior than me. He is senior to me. 45. He is more taller. He is taller. 46. He is more smarter. He is smarter. 47. He is married with Shreya. He is married to Shreya. 48. I am working in this company since 2 years. I have been working in this company for 2 years. 49. I'm here since 2 hours. I have been here for 2 hours. 50. He said me the story. He told me the story. 51. He is living here since 5 years. He has been living here for 5 years. 52. I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. 53. He is married with her. He is married to her. 54. He is more faster. He is faster. 55. I am feeling coldly. I am feeling cold. 56. I'm going for shopping. I'm going shopping. 57. She is afraid from dogs. She is afraid of dogs. 58. He is good in maths. He is good at maths. 59. I am good in English. I am good at English. 60. She goes in school. She goes to school. 61. They discussed about the movie. They discussed the movie. 62. She explained me the problem. She explained the problem to me. 63. He replied me. He replied to me. 64. The teacher told that he is absent. The teacher said that he is absent. 65. He gave me an information. He gave me information. 66. He gave me a furniture. He gave me a piece of furniture. 67. I am liking it. I like it. 68. She is knowing the answer. She knows the answer. 69. He is having two brothers. He has two brothers. 70. She is knowing swimming. She knows swimming. 71. I'm here from 2 days. I have been here for 2 days. 72. He is coming just now. He has just come. 73. I'm going there tomorrow. I will go there tomorrow. 74. He is my cousin brother. He is my cousin. 75. Open the light. Switch on the light. 76. Close the light. Switch off the light. 77. She is my bestest friend. She is my best friend. 78. He is more stronger. He is stronger. 79. He is more intelligent than all. He is the most intelligent of all. 80. I didn't eat food. I didn't eat food. 81. He didn't went to school. He didn't go to school. 82. I didn't saw him. I didn't see him. 83. He didn't came yesterday. He didn't come yesterday. 84. I am studying in Delhi since 2010. I've been studying in Delhi since 2010. 85. She is my cousin's sister. She is my cousin. 86. He is more happier. He is happier. 87. She is more kinder. She is kinder. 88. I will discuss about it. I will discuss it. 89. He is my cousin and uncle. He is my uncle. 90. I didn't heard anything. I didn't hear anything. 91. I didn't bite it. I didn't buy it. 92. I didn't went there. I didn't go there. 93. He is most tallest boy. He is the tallest boy. 94. She is most prettiest. She is the prettiest. 95. I'm knowing him. I know him. 96. I'm understanding. I understand. 97. He is knowing English. He knows English. 98. He is a miser person. He is a miser. 99. She is a genius girl. She is a genius. 100. He is very unique. He is unique. Stop making mistakes. Start speaking correct English. See you in the next video. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning.